This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will execute a program in Java programming language, and the topic is working with multi-dimensional array 3D. So let's see how it is done, that how a 3D arrays can be used and using Java. So first we'll click on this button and go to the Java project. Here we'll type the name as working with multi-dimension array 3D. Click on the next button, click on the finish button, type the name of the module as program, which we will later on delete it. Now here we are. We'll right click on the module, delete it, right click on the src folder, go to the new option. From here we'll click on the class, type the name of the class as program, click on the public static void main. Now here we will type the description as working with multi-dimension array 3D. Under the class program we will type static void muldops, and the structure we will declare integer AR double closing brackets equal to symbol, and give the values new integer 2 and 2 as a subscript. Now at AR0 0 we will declare value 5. We will copy this line and make multiple copies. Here we will give value as 1 at location 0 1. So you need to type 3 column brackets because it's a 3D array, and give value 2 2 and 2. So location 0 0 0, value we have assigned is 5. Location 0 0 1, we will give value as 1, and then we will make multiple copies of it. At location 0 0 0 1 0, we'll give value as 3. At location 0 1 1, we will give value 3, and then 8, and then 2, and then 9, and then 6. So the locations will be 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 . So you have to be very careful while typing the subscript values, because if you type wrong then you will never get the right output, we'll never be able to receive the correct output. So one more, as we'll copy this last one, AR1111, and the value is assigned as 6. So the total values are, the last value is 4. Now we'll use a simple for loop. Type for integer I equal to 0. I is less than AR dot length, and then I plus plus. Getting length of row for integer j equal to 0. J is less than AR subscript 0 comma length, and then j plus plus. Getting length of column we will use a more for integer k equal to 0. K is less than AR subscript 00 dot length, and then AR k plus plus. Now use system.out.print ln and the type the value allocation colon AR I plus I plus plus symbol, and then plus j plus one more plus symbol, and then plus k plus. Is column plus, and then plus AR I J K. Since it's a multi-dimensional array, 3D array, so we'll type all these three. Now we have called this function multi-OPS, this method, in the void main method. So now we'll click on the run button, click on run as, click on the Java application, so you can see the output is 5, 1, 3, 8, 2, 4, 2, 9, 6, 4, and we have used 3D array because we have used 3 different subscript 2, 2, 2 because it's a multi-dimensional 3D array, and we have displayed the values at their locations using 3 variables I, j, k. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. So we have executed a program to understand the concept of multi-dimensional array 3D.